Welcome back. Court has granted interim bail to Tarun Tejpal to perform final rites of his deceased mother, Shakuntala Tejpal. Bail has been granted for a period of 3 weeks. Tejpal's mother was suffering from brain tumor and died at Tejpal's residence at Moira. Final rites of Tejpal's mother were performed at Santines crematorium on Monday evening. But unfortunately, Tejpal could not make it at the Santines crematorium from Sada sub-jail in time.
Tarun Tejpal is out of jail for 3 weeks. Tejpal got the interim relief he sought, but for an unfortunate reason. Court has granted an interim bail for 3 weeks to rape accused Tarun Tejpal for final rites of his mother. Tarun Tejpal's mother, Shakuntala Tejpal, was suffering from brain tumor and was undergoing treatment at Mapsa Hospital. She breathed her last at Tejpal's Moira residence on Sunday. Soon after that, Tejpal's lawyers sought interim bail in the Supreme Court. Final rites of Tejpal's mother were performed at Santines crematorium on Monday evening. But Tejpal could not perform the final rites on his mother. Tejpal's father, in an informal chat with media, said, and I quote, "We don't know what is going on in God's mind. It is unfortunate that Tejpal couldn't have the last glimpse of his mother." Unquote. Earlier, the court had granted permission to Mr. Tejpal twice to meet his ailing mother. Senior journalist Tarun Tejpal is currently behind bars on the charges of rape and sexual harassment. Tejpal was arrested on November 30th, 2013. He is currently in judicial custody and lodged at Sada sub-jail in Vasco. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A person died on the spot after getting crushed under a loaded truck at Salili in Sattari on Monday. Another person is seriously injured. One more accident was reported at Khandepar in Ponda between a Karnataka registered bus and trolley. However, passengers escaped with minor injuries. A person, Govind Zarmekar, aged 50, from Nanoda, Sattari, died on the spot after getting crushed under loaded truck at Salili in Sattari on Monday. He was on the bike. Rider of the bike, Milind Morlekar, is injured and shifted to hospital. The truck driver is arrested. Another accident was reported at Khandepar in Ponda between a Karnataka registered bus and a trolley. No major injuries were reported. The locals claim that the driver of the trolley lost his control. The driver of the trolley fled away from the site.
फिर हम सब गड्ढे में जाते ही करको मैं उधर लिया, उधर स्टॉप किया पहला किधर जाते ही करको देखने के लिए। बाद में वो इधर स्ट्रेट आया तो बाद में मैं क्या किया, वो हमको सबको डालते अंदर करको मैं गेट डाल के और उधर लिया, वो भी इधर लिया और सब बचाने के लिए मैं ऐसा ही करने पड़ा। क्या करने पड़ा गया नहीं तो सब नीचे जा नहीं, फिर भी मैं उसमें मारा करके फिर ऐसे किया और उसको ये लिया मैंने सब कुछ ड्राइवर भाग गया।
Dinesh Karpe and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. For the first time, double-decker train arrived the state. Introduction of double-decker trains on the Mumbai-Goa sector will throw open options for more berths per train. Trial of the train have begun. One coach can accommodate 120 passengers at a time. PRO of Konkan Railway, Baban Ghatge, gave us a quick ride inside the train.
This is the double-decker train where I am standing now, and we have received this train yesterday somewhere around 5 o'clock in the evening. This has come from Bombay on a trial run. The main advantage, you can say, is these coaches of this train. These are slightly bigger than the normal coaches. So on account of that, taking off trials on Konkan Railway route was quite essential because we are having a lot of tunnels and it should pass safely through all the tunnels. And that's why these trials were taken. From our Research Design and Standards Organization, RDSO, some of the officials, they have been accompanying while this trial run was being conducted, and they'll submit the RDSO officials, they'll submit their report to Railway Board, and then board will take a decision on when to start this train. So this is the lower deck where we have reached now, and as you see, the total capacity of this each coach is 120 passengers. So that means 120 passengers can travel in one coach at a time. Likewise, like this, we have received 10 coaches here and plus 2 power cars. This is the first time in double decker is coming to Goa.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.